The Material World 24. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is obvious that envy has affected many Muslims. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned this would occur in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2510. It leads to many other negative characteristics and problems. For example, it prevents Muslims from fulfilling the important duty of supporting good irrespective of who does it, as the jealous person does not desire to aid others, as they believe the other person's rank in society will increase beyond their own. A Muslim must take steps to remove jealousy from their character. One thing which can aid in this goal is to become content with what a person possesses. Allah, the Exalted, does not give people according to their desires, as this might lead to their destruction. He instead gives what is best for each person's faith. Understanding this can eliminate jealousy over what others possess. How many Muslims obtained wealth which destroyed their faith? And how many Muslims will be forgiven on Judgment Day because of the tests they endured patiently? Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
The other thing to understand is that as this material world is limited, it is easy to become jealous over the things within it. But if a Muslim aims for the hereafter and prioritizes it over the excess of this material world, it would remove jealousy from them. This is because the blessings of the hereafter are unlimited, therefore, there is no need to be jealous, as there are plenty of blessings to go around. In fact, they will never end. But the more one aims and desires the limited things found within the world, the more jealous they will become. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.